What if I told you making money online is easier than ever in 2025? And it's all thanks to AI. No coding. No tech skills. No investment required. Just smart tools and smart strategies. Want to learn the easiest way? You're in the right place. This is the ultimate beginner's guide. And it starts now. In this video, I'll show you how to use free AI tools to make real income online, even if you've never made $1 online before. So stay with me, because the first 60 seconds might change your life. Let me ask you, have you ever tried to make money online and failed? Tried YouTube, blogging, dropshipping, and nothing worked? Then listen closely, because AI has leveled the playing field, and it's your turn to win. Ready to unlock your first income stream? Let's dive into method number 1. It's called AI-powered content writing. Sounds complicated? It's not. You'll use a tool like ChatGPT, or even free ones like Gemini. Here's what you do. Go to Fiverr or Upwork. Search for blog writing gigs. Apply to the simple ones. Let ChatGPT write the article for you. Tweak it. Polish it with Quillbot. Deliver it. Done. You just earned $20 to $100 for 20 minutes of work. And the AI did most of it. That's the power of method number 1. Now let's move to method number 2. This one is blowing up in 2025. It's called faceless YouTube automation. Sounds fancy, but here's what it means. You make videos without filming anything, without showing your face, without using your voice. AI does it all. Step 1. Get a video script from ChatGPT. Step 2. Paste it into Pictory AI. Step 3. Let Pictory create your video. Step 4. Upload to YouTube. Add a thumbnail from Canva. Repeat. That's it. People are earning thousands from ad revenue and affiliate links, all from faceless videos, with AI doing the heavy lifting. Want a niche idea? Try motivational videos, top 10 lists, finance tips. I can generate endless ideas. You just need to start. And now, method number 3. One of my favorites. AI-generated digital products. You can sell ebooks, printables, planners, worksheets, all created by AI. Use ChatGPT to write them. Use Canva to design them. Use Etsy or Gumroad to sell them. Want even more income? Sell AI-generated art. Use DALL-E or Midjourney. Turn it into posters or digital downloads. People are buying. The market is booming. And you can get in today. No experience needed. Just tools. That brings us to method number 4. Freelance AI services. Offer to run content and marketing using AI. Write emails, social media posts, ad copy, product descriptions, all with AI. ChatGPT plus copy.ai can handle it all. You just connect with clients, deliver results, and get paid. AI makes you 5x faster. That means you earn more in less time. Still with me? Because now, method number 5. AI-powered course creation. Don't worry, you don't need to be an expert. Let ChatGPT research and write the course content. Turn it into a PDF or video slides. Post on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Udemy. Share on social media. Earn passively for months or even years. Some creators make 5 figures monthly with a course they built in a weekend. That's the power of AI in 2025. Still wondering how to start? Let's break it down. Step 1. Choose one method. Step 2. Pick one tool. Step 3. Make your first project today. That's how every successful creator begins. And here's something most people never do: tool stacking. What does that mean? It means using multiple AI tools together. Example: ChatGPT for the script, Pictory for the video, Canva for the visuals, copy.AI for the title. Upload it. Monetize it. Simple. Fast. Scalable. Want to go even faster? Use automation tools. Zapier, Notion AI, Tascade. They help you manage everything in one place. Now, let's talk about tools. Here's your essential AI toolkit. ChatGPT for content and ideas. Pictory AI for video creation. Canva for design. Copy.ai for short copy. Quillbot for rewriting in SEO. DALL-E for art. Midjourney for visuals. InVideo as another video option. All of them are beginner friendly. Many are free. Use just 2 or 3 to get started. Now, real talk, most people will watch this video and do nothing. But not you. You've made it this far. That means you're serious. You want freedom, flexibility, passive income. And now, you know how to get it. Let me remind you of the steps. Pick a method: writing, video, digital products, freelancing, courses. Learn one AI tool. Build your first gig or product. Offer it. Sell it. Scale it. That's the path. Now let's look at real examples. Sam used ChatGPT plus Pictory. Created a YouTube channel. Made $500 in his first month. Lisa created digital planners with Canva. Sold $2,000 worth on Etsy. Jordan offered AI blog writing on Fiverr. Earns $1,000 per month. All beginners. All started with 0 experience. So what's stopping you? Let me guess, what if I'm not tech savvy? You don't need to be. These tools do the heavy lifting. What if I mess up? That's how you learn. Every success starts with version 1. You just have to try. And here's the secret: you only need one thing to work. One video to go viral. One ebook to sell. One client to trust you. That one thing can change everything. So here's your action step. Open a free AI tool. Build something small today. Don't overthink it. Don't wait. Take messy action. Post it. Share it. Offer it. Watch what happens. And remember, the people making money with AI in 2025 are just the ones who started in 2024 or earlier. This is your moment. You're early. You have the tools. You have the time. And now, you have the plan. So go. Create. Launch. Monetize. And repeat. If this video helped you, hit like. Subscribe. Comment below. I'm starting with your method. I'll reply with a bonus tip. And check the description. I've linked all the tools. Plus a cheat sheet to help you start fast. This isn't hype. This is happening right now. The AI wave is here. Ride it. Don't miss it. Don't watch others win while you wait. Start. Stay consistent. Build momentum. You got this. Your AI income journey begins now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take action. Stay curious. Keep creating. And make AI work for you.